Hi there everyone, welcome to my channel Aqualuna73. This is going to be another moon reading. Please bear in mind these moon readings are general readings. It could resonate at any time in your life, so you can watch it at any time. Thank you to everyone who watches my content and supports my channel. God bless you. Thank you for being here and supporting my channel. Let's start with the reading, okay? So what I'm going to do is I'm going to do a past, present and a future spread, because the download that I had for you when I did your reading, I'm going to look at the notes now that I made. You all know by now, for the people that are new subscribers, since the very beginning I make notes. Okay, to do meditations. I get downloads in my meditations. I write it down in a book that I have here. You can hear the pages, okay? And then I just go through my notes while I do the reading. So if my voice fades away, it's just me going through the notes that I made about the specific reading. Anyway, so the download that I got for you for this moon reading for my collective is whoever you are. I don't know if you're a male or a female, okay? It could be a male or a female that I'm picking up here, but this person, what came through is evolution equals adapting, okay? It's common knowledge, okay? It's common knowledge that if a person evolves, okay, let me explain it like this. If everybody knows evolution equals adapting, so but the thing that I pick up with this situation is it's almost like wherever you are, you find yourself in a situation like a relationship. It could be a relationship. It could be a long-term relationship, even a marriage. And I don't know if you are evolving, but the person that you're with is not evolving with you. Okay, this could be one scenario. Okay, or you might not see eye to eye with this individual. I don't know if you have conflict with this person in your relationship. Okay, this is the first card that's already a transformation card that's coming out there. Okay, so I don't know what this is. Let me just look at my notes here. Evolution equals adapting. And the download, in the download that I got, I heard about, not heard, okay. While I had this download, I got a flashback of something that I read. I don't know if this is true, but apparently there were scientists that took the DNA from a 10,000-old fossil of a dire wolf, and they basically recreated the DNA, okay, and they basically created a hybrid dire wolf, and they showed the two puppies. If this is real, I do not know, but okay. So the thing that I pick up here is it's almost like whoever you are, say for instance you're in a relationship, you've been in a relationship with this individual for a few years now, okay, obviously there are different changes. You change jobs, this person changes jobs. In the beginning you're married and it's just the two of you. As time passes, then the kids, you start having children. One kid is born and then another is added to the dynamic and so forth. So the family grows basically, okay. So obviously there's a lot of evolution and adapting that needs to occur in a situation like this, in a family dynamic, okay. But what I pick up for this specific dynamic, just hold on, I'm going to pick up this card. What I pick up for this situation is this is like a romantic thing, okay. It doesn't come across as if these two individuals have any kids. It just comes across if these two individuals have been in a dynamic for a long-term relationship. It could be that these two individuals or one of the people involved are questioning whether the other person or vice versa is adapting to this dynamic, okay? I don't know if this person is questioning the worth of this relationship or starting to question whether it's worth it to stay in this dynamic, okay? I don't know what this is. It's almost like this individual is, it's like with this dire wolf thing, okay? It's like you took this relationship and you adapted it, but it's not suitable. It's almost like when me and my son spoke about these scientists taking this DNA and recreating this dire wolf that was an extinct species for 10,000 years. Okay, and everybody's excited. So this is basically a hybrid. It's not an original, okay? It's a hybrid, which means they basically had to use an incubator. So they probably took ordinary wolves to incubate these puppies just in the wolf's womb, if I can put it that way. So technically speaking, these puppies were not born from an original dire wolf mom. They were born from an ordinary wolf. Okay, this is what my son is reasoning. So what I pick up with this scenario here is it's almost like this when you originally started in the relationship, for that matter, okay? The original relationship, if I can put it that way. It's basically you created some type of hybrid of this relationship. Okay. But it's not sustainable. It's almost like, I don't know how to put this. It's almost like there's some genetic flaw or something in something. Okay. Yeah, this is what I pick up. Some type of genetic flaw in this dynamic, in the relationship, not in someone. Okay, I'm using this dire wolf as an example, but this could occur, okay? They could, because this thing is like a type of a clone, and there could be genetic things that happen, okay? It's not, I don't know, it's not the original, basically. So there could be flaws that creep in. I have no idea how to express this, but I think you understand where I'm going with this. So I'm going to this is a current situation that you're facing with this death card. Okay. There's already some type of transformation occurring in this dynamic. And it's almost like you and this individual, you are aware. Okay, I was speaking about this hybrid thing. So I think you both know that it's not sustainable. Okay, it's not a sustainable dynamic. Or I don't know what this is. Let me see. I haven't even drawn an oracle card yet. It's almost like you're both asking yourself with this death card, this transformation card. Are we evolving together? Are we on the same level? Okay. This is the current situation that you're facing. The next card is the Hermit card. It's like, yeah, with the situation that you're facing, this is the action that you need to take. Your action that you need to take is some type of inaction, because the Hermit is a quiet card. It's a solitary card. It's a quiet card that requires you to slow down and reflect. Okay, so there's some type of inaction or slowness that needs to occur. Maybe the universe is asking you to not jump the gun in this situation for some of you, okay? Or jump to conclusions because you're not evolving in the same everybody. You cannot expect, say for instance you're in a dynamic, one person is a much more faster learner than the other, okay? Or are you going to all of a sudden just give up on an individual just because you learn faster than this person, or this person is slower than you in something, okay? I don't know what this dynamic is. It could be anything, okay? But it depends on if this is a, say for instance, it's a situation where this person is learning slower than you, and it's a situation where it's maybe a work dynamic, and it basically hinders you from something, then you maybe need to look at it, okay? But if it's a situation where, but you have to be discreet about it, not to hurt the person's feelings, okay? But if it's a relationship dynamic and you have evolved emotionally and you have invested in yourself and self-growth and all those things, but the other person hasn't, yeah, then you have to be worried a little, I think, okay? So this is what you need to do, is see some type of inaction, slowness, reflection that needs to occur with the Hermit. The Ace of Coins is your third card. You need to change something with this Ace of Coins. The Ace of Coins usually speaks of manifestations. Okay, financial opportunities and abundance. I think if you take this approach here, this is how it's going to, this is the outcome basically that it's going to be. Because I think you need to reflect about this situation. Because I strongly get the feeling that I'm talking to a couple, okay? I'm not talking to a couple that's, I don't know if this couple has children. It doesn't come across like this. It comes across as like an ordinary couple. They've been married for years. It doesn't come across like they have kids. Lots of people choose not to have kids. Okay, not all married people have children. Okay, so it doesn't come across like a married couple that has kids. It's more like a professional couple that's married and they each have their own career, basically, okay? And basically, maybe the one person is evolving faster than the other. And now this one person is questioning, okay, are we growing together, or am I the only one evolving in the situation? And maybe the one is too impatient with the other one, okay? But I don't think this is the case with the relationship dynamic. It could be. I'm not saying it's not. Let's see, okay? Yeah, this is a card. I haven't even drawn a card. Discernment, clear vision, and details. This is what you need to look at. Okay, you're the only one in this dynamic. You need to scrutinize the situation and you need to apply discernment. Because you're the only one that knows. It's these details here. You're the only one that knows what's going on in this dynamic. You're the one that's in this relationship. And you need to do what's best for you. Okay? So, I want to ask now, what can this person change about the situation? What does this person need to do, and what can they change about the situation? What do they need to do, and what can they change about the situation? Okay. The Lovers. You got the Lovers card. Okay. This is what you need to do. The Lovers usually speaks of making a choice. Okay. Whoever you are, this individual, or you both for that matter, in this dynamic need to make some type of specific choice, because, like I said, evolution equates adaptability. But this adaptability at the moment is not something that's sustainable for both of you. So there's someone that needs to make some type of choice here. I strongly get the feeling this is the male. I don't know if the male needs to choose. There's some type of perspective that this male needs to change on how they see things. It's a major decision or something that this male needs to make. I'm going to ask for a last card now, and I just see this was the last card. What is this person not aware of? I'm going to ask, what are they not aware of? What are they not aware of? What are they not aware of? Seven of Coins. Okay. It's like whoever is involved in this dynamic, there is some type of lack of long-term vision that this individual is having. I think it's the male involved. This male, it doesn't have a long-term vision. In other words, how can I put this? Yeah, this is what I pick up. This individual here, you will see here, this is someone that's sitting there. They have the earphones on, these antennas. This is a person basically sitting in like a reflection mode, a study mode, planning things. Okay, it's a Seven of Coins. This person is planning on making money, planning on putting things in place to secure things. But this individual that you're dealing with, if you're a female, this person lacks this. Okay, they lack long-term vision. Okay. I'm going to ask what does the universe suggest? This is probably why you're asking yourself, are we evolving? Maybe you don't have the same vision of how you're seeing, how you need to, maybe you have, seeing this is the Ace of Coins, maybe you have issues surrounding finances. Okay, you're not seeing eye to eye on finances. You have maybe, okay, this is what's popping up into my head. Oh my God, I don't even know what movie this is. Oh my God, I don't even know what the guy's name is. I don't know what the woman's name is. But it's like a short or a reel where this woman, she was talking to this guy as a black female and a black male. Okay. And she was asking him, they were dating for a very long time. And she said to him she wants to get married and time is passing and she can't have kids. And So he said to her, he wants to ask her to marry when he feels he's ready, because he doesn't feel ready. They don't have this yet and they don't have that. So I don't know. I strongly get the feeling that the female here in the situation is a long-term planner, but the male lacks this vision here. Okay, and these may be some type of, this person maybe wants to settle down like this woman that I was talking about, and this male doesn't want to. They don't feel ready, basically. This is the situation that I'm picking up here. Okay, so I'm sorry about this if this is the case. Okay, you need to make your own decisions. If you feel this person lacks long-term vision, maybe you should be the one that makes a choice here and make a wise choice. Use scrutiny regarding the situation. Sorry guys, it's just a lot of cards that just flipped out here. Okay, last card. Give me a last oracle card for this reading, please, and thank you for my collective. My ascended masters, my spirit guides, God, Son, Jesus Christ, Holy Spirit. Whoever you resonate as to my viewers and subscribers and collective. Okay, bouquet. Pleasantness, gift, charming, joy, happiness, and flattery. This is what I pick up here. This is almost like here with this card. It's like somebody's trying to sugarcoat this thing. Yeah, it says flattery. So basically what this person is doing is, every time you try to talk to this individual about the situation, this person is like flattering you, or saying something like, oh, don't worry, you worry too much, I will take care of this, stuff like that. Okay, something to it. So there's basically just, and in Afrikaans we call it hulle paai jou. They're basically lulling you. Okay, like a false lulling, basically just to not have a reaction, to quiet you down so that you don't react, because I don't know why this person acts this way. Okay, it's like a false sense of pleasantness here, a sugar-coated pleasantness, but the underlying thing there, I don't know how to express this, but I think you get what I mean. Whoever you are, you will know what I mean. But anyway, this is your reading for today, guys. I love you. Please take care. God bless. Bye.